So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Cartier Love Ring. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Stephanie here on YouTube, and if you love all things luxury, fashion, and lifestyle, you should definitely hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I have had this for about 6 months, and for some reason I didn't do an unboxing for it. I guess because I kind of just included it in my what I got for Christmas, but honestly this is the best time to do the review because it's been a good 6 months now since I've had it, so I can really just tell you guys my thoughts and what I think about it. I do already have the wedding love band, so I just decided to also get the thicker love ring, so I kind of already knew some of the pros and cons to it, but I can totally incorporate that in this video as well. Also, I just want to apologize. I feel like I've been saying this a lot in all of my videos, but I just want to let you guys know, in case you are some new subscribers or you don't really keep up with all of my videos, I just want to apologize that I don't upload as frequently as I used to, just because I mentioned in my last most recent videos that there is a lot going on in my life right now, a lot of good things and then also some bad things. So right now there's just too much going on, so I can't really upload as frequently as I used to on my channel, just because right now I'm just really trying to focus on family and friends and just making sure everyone's getting healthy and back to normal, somewhat normal, and just trying to keep a positive attitude about life and really just trying to live in the moment right now. So I do apologize that I'm just not really online as much as I used to, but I am trying my hardest to film as much as possible for you guys because I really do appreciate you guys, and it's honestly crazy that I'm already at 700 and something subscribers, almost to 1,000. So thank you so much to all of my subscribers and any new subscribers that I have. So anyway, getting into the video, basically I just want to start off with my experience overall and what you really get from going to the Cartier store and what they give you. So basically I got to experience the Cartier mansion in New York City, which was amazing. If you have the ability to go there, I definitely would go to that Cartier, because that by far is the best Cartier store out of all the Cartier stores I've been to. I've only been to 2, or 3 maybe, but literally that's the best one. So honestly, go to that one if you can. I know it's in 5th Ave in New York City, so if that's not an Access, any Cartier store, it will have the same service and be just as amazing, but that one's literally in the mansion. There's 5 different floors. There's so many different, they definitely have a lot more in stock, I feel too. But anyway, basically when I got there, I was specifically looking for the thicker love ring, and I also got to try on the thin version of the love bracelet. So basically after I finished purchasing it, I just wanted to show you guys what exactly I got. So what comes with it is obviously the shopping bag, which I don't have with me right now, but you do get this box, and then as soon as you open the box, it comes with another box. So this is kind of how it opens up, and then this is just a beautiful box where it is displayed, and you honestly can just keep this if you want to, if you have a big enough room or dresser. You can keep the ring in here and it'll be just as good if you don't have a jewelry box that you usually use. I have a jewelry box, so I don't really keep it in here, but if I'm moving or something like that, it would be really nice to have this. But they also do come with a travel size pouch, which I honestly just used because probably by this point my bachelorette party or video will be up before this one, but I did use that on the trip, which was super helpful since I said I do have a couple pieces from them, so I put everything in here. So that's another thing that comes with it. And then obviously you get the receipt. This is kind of, what the receipt looks like. I'm not going to show you guys because that's my personal information. Also, I'm so sorry if my voice sounds so different. I kind of lost it while I was in Vegas for my bachelorette party, so that's another story on its own. So bear with me, please. And then I also had, it also comes with this, which is a certificate for any piece that you get from Cartier. You always get some type of certificate. I'm not going to really show the information because I know some people who have fakes out there like to steal the real information. But this is pretty much what the card looks like, which is really nice. I would definitely recommend asking if they don't give it to you, because that has happened to me before, where I think I was going to get like my Cartier necklace and they didn't give me a certificate for it. So I'm just like, do they just not do it anymore? Is that not a thing? But then I was reading online that happens sometimes. You just have to ask. So I would definitely ask. So just so, like, you never know, like if you need proof of something, or I don't know, if you're like me where you sometimes resell things, it's just good to have. And obviously it brings up the value too. So that's pretty much everything that comes with the love ring. And then as far as what it looks like, I haven't really showed you guys. I got the white gold Cartier love ring. So this is what it looks like. I honestly wanted to get this because I wanted to stack it with my love wedding band ring. I think it looks really cute, and like sometimes I put like an all diamond stud ring in between it and it just looks amazing when I stack it. I honestly love, love, love this ring. You can wear it obviously so many ways. You can stack it, you could just wear it by itself like I am right now, but I love it. I think it is a great statement or like investment piece that you can add to your jewelry collection. And honestly, I don't really have that many bad things to say about it, just because like I said, I do already have the love thin bracelet. I wish I had the bracelet. I don't have the bracelet. The love wedding band ring. So the only thing that I would say about some cons with this ring, if this is the first purchase that you're doing with Cartier, it will scratch. Like it will not stay as shiny and clean as it did when you first got it. Like I don't know what it is, but these types are just prone to getting scratches. Like it doesn't matter how careful you are or how like frequently you wear it, no matter what you do, it will scratch. So if that's something that bothers you, I would highly, highly, highly recommend to not get this ring, because that will definitely bother you, spending all that money and then just getting scratches. I mean, I don't wear this. I mean, I wear this pretty often, honestly, but to me, the scratches don't really bother me as much, because honestly you can still get it cleaned but the scratches will still be there. But like I said, it's not really something that bothers me. I just like the look of it, and as long as it's like clean in my view, or like my opinion, I guess. But as far as cons, I kind of want to say that's kind of it. I guess the only other con that I could really think of is that it's a brand, so if you're not like flashy and like the whole following the trend type of brand thing, because you feel like everyone has it, then that's definitely a con. But I think just a pro, honestly, I mean, just I love the brand. I love the quality of it. It's just something that's very simple and classy, and I feel like can go with your everyday like jewelry that you want to wear. I mean, I feel like it just speaks for itself kind of with the pros that I just like it a lot and it's my style or like my type of taste. One thing I did forget to mention though too, if that is one thing, that the scratches is what's really holding you back. I know I've heard online, and I've never really asked before in person, but apparently you can kind of get the scratches taken off, but apparently when you take the scratches off, it kind of takes off some of the gold from it, which obviously I would not want to do. I guess the only reason why I would do that, because they also say like not to do that all the time, like it's only like a 2-3 type of thing that you can do in like the lifespan or lifetime, I'm not so sure. But I guess a lot of people have said that that's a good way if you are that type of person who likes to resell their stuff. You could just go and have that done and it looks apparently completely like brand new. But like I have mentioned before, they do give you free cleaning services, so if you want to get it somewhat cleaned, they definitely can do that for you. But like I said, the scratches unfortunately will still be there. So as far as pricing, of course it's going to vary depending on where you live, like with taxes and all of that. So because I was in New York, I think taxes is honestly close to like 0.08% or something like that. But anyway, it was close to almost like $2,000, I think, because I got to the white gold. The white gold is always going to be more expensive than the regular gold and the rose gold, so just keep that in mind as well. But I will definitely insert the pricing somewhere here on the screen as far as like how much it costs. So that is pretty much all I had to really say about the review on the love ring. If you guys have any other questions though, feel free to leave it down below in the comments. I am really good at answering any questions that you guys might have, but hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Sorry it was pretty short, my camera like kept dying, so I just really wanted to film this for you guys and get it out there. Make sure you guys follow me on my other social medias. I will insert them here. Follow me on TikTok where I do outfit of the days and I'm very much so a foodie. And then I also have my Instagram where I'm always posting on there pretty daily as well. So thanks again, guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye!